Hello and welcome everyone. And today we have our CPO, actually from our SSSLB, Smart Security Solution Line of Business, CPO, Jeff Carroll. I remember you just have 25 years in March Networks, right?
25 years this year.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just saw the presentation from Peter Storm. I saw, wow, you're already 25 years.
Yeah, that's
already.
right. 25 years.
Wow.
You look so young.
Do I? Thank you.
Yeah. And Diro, I think you probably more than 20 years in VIVOTEK.
Yeah,
also.
21.
Yeah.
this
Together
year.
we're 45.
Yeah, wow. So Diro, I know you have a new position as well.
Yeah.
By the product management director.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Also for the SSSLOB again.
Yes.
It's Smart Security Solution Line of Business. Okay. So, well, I think it's very important we use this opportunity, okay, to explain. Now we have the combination between the two, like very good brand in the market. So with this combination, what the portfolio, like powerful portfolio of our products that we want to like bring to our customer, and also to our BABG family.
So March Networks and VIVOTEK are have both been in the industry for more than 25 years. Both companies celebrated their 25th anniversary just last year at the same time. March Networks went down the path of developing scalable enterprise solutions, a focus on business intelligence applications for March Networks customers, while VIVOTEK has been building high quality, high volume cameras with great features and great analytics. So if you look at the way those two companies come together to smart security solutions, it's such a natural fit that it's almost all complementary. And we see that in the teams all the way from the sales organization to the product organization to the R&D organization, that everybody sees the vision of how when we work together, we're a better end-to-end solution, and everything both companies do complement each other.
The solution or application that we provide to our customer, or even for our BABG family, that can know how to take advantage of this, and to tell customer, this is what we have.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on the vertical market, so let's pick one. Let's talk enterprise retail. The business intelligence application for enterprise retail, one of them is customer metrics. So how many customers are coming into my store? Where are they going? How many of the customers who are coming in are buying things? If you look at VIVOTEK as the source of data. So you have the video, it's producing metadata on what's happening with the video. When we can control the end-to-end, the quality of the analytics and the metadata that's coming from the video, all the way to the end user application, and tie that to data that we're already providing to them through our business intelligence application, Searchlight Cloud, it allows us to create an application that has a lot more value for the end user, because we have control of the quality of every item in the end-to-end solution that's providing that application. So we can say how many customers came in the store, we can tell you how many POS transactions, we're already integrated to the POS, the point of sale, and we can provide really, really rich applications, and that allows us to focus in the area that we think we can add the most value.
Fantastic. Yeah, because I do remember that in the sales kickoff meeting in San Jose, Peter Storm just mentioned data is the new oil. And I do believe that camera is also one of the source that nowadays provides tons of information.
I think what Peter was really pointing to was there have been such advancements in AI analytics and the quality of data coming from video, is that video data combined with the business intelligence data is really the new oil. We're entering a new era where we can provide the vision of what this could do 10 years ago,
Yeah.
when analytics were really in their infancy.
Yeah.
So I think what he's trying to say strategically is we are at that point. We are ready for a video surveillance solution to not be a video surveillance solution.
Yeah.
It is the eyes of the organization, and it can provide operational and business insight for our customers.
Mm-hmm. And I want to ask Daryl, because you have been in VIVOTEK so many years.
Yeah.
So what have been changed in the AI technology?
Yeah, from my point of view, I would say for the AI, VIVOTEK or SSLB already deliver the state-of-the-art AI technology.
Yeah.
For people counting, the accuracy is around 98%. So it's very good enough, I would say. But the key is to combine multiple data sources. Let's say for retail, we can combine the point of sale data to calculate the conversion rate. It's a very important insight for the retail owner, right?
Yeah.
For this application, the key is to combine other data sources.
Yeah,
It's the key.
Yeah.
So this is why we can imagine that with the March Network and the VIVOTEK, the domain know-how, we can deliver a very, very great product for retail.
Yeah, so I think that's right. The 70% is enough. Combined with another data, then we can provide more precise operational insight for
Yes.
customer to make them improve their business. To be honest, they're not just this vertical. There are several, almost all the verticals right now need all those data to make the operation.
Yeah,
improve.
transit's a big one for
Yes.
passenger counting, and there's
That's
a lot
right.
of transit applications for what we're doing as well. So.
Yeah, that's awesome. As we talk about AI, another trend for our industry is cloud.
Yeah.
So AI and cloud really shaping the industry, right? So what have we prepared for our customer? Why
we
we're
have
so
al-
special?
Well, we have almost everything. I mean, I think that's what's so interesting about even the individual VIVOTEK and March Networks individually before we came together, is that I think both companies recognize that a big part of the industry is going to continue to be on-premise, non-cloud based. And a big part of the industry is going to be cloud-based. And every one of our customers has a different transition plan. Their timeline for transitioning to the cloud, or the amount of cloud that they want to do in the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years is different.
Yeah.
Retail is probably further along in their cloud transformation. Big financial institutions aren't quite ready for that yet, for reasons that I think we all would find obvious, is that they're very focused on data security and protection.
Yeah.
So the great thing about smart security solutions as a combined entity is we go to our customers and say, look, you can move to cloud in your own time. We are fully invested in our on-premise enterprise solutions. We are fully invested in the cloud. And we're fully invested in the hybrid that you need to have in between as you move from one to the other.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited about the future. I think there's going to be an element of cloud in everything that our customers do in the future. But I'm also really excited that we can offer a scenario where our customers can be where they want to be with the cloud when they want to be there. And I think that's the most important thing.
So for all our partners, in this line of business, they always want to know. They're really eager to know. Okay, so what's next? What's next? For example, our product portfolio roadmap, or what's the status of the integration between the two teams? Anything you can share with our partners?
I'll let Diro start. Diro's doing a lot of the work.
Sometimes I think the vision sounds like, it's a long-term plan. So from my point of view, I want to share some mid-term and short-term, I would say.
Okay.
Basically, we already start from the easy part. For the salespeople, we already done the cross-selling, which means the salespeople can sell the PoE switch from VIVOTEK, and some salespeople, they can sell the Searchlight Cloud from March Network. Yeah, we just do the cross-selling. It's very easy and valuable. And I would like to share another more concrete example for the NVR. Everybody know the network video recorder for NVR, we already create the shareable hardware for both parties.
Wow.
Yeah, and for the product roadmap for both PM team, we are discussing the roadmap together. Basically, we do have some product portfolio have some overlap before, but now we do that together. So for camera, basically we align with the VIVOTEK strategy and the roadmap for camera, because as Jeff said, VIVOTEK is very good at camera. But for VNS, the video management system and the central management system, both VIVOTEK and the March Network are very good at those parts. So for PNT, we have to think about the capability, the feature matrix to discuss the next step, how to merge and leverage both strengths. Yeah.
Well, and it really allows our focus to turn towards applications and solutions for the end user rather than just the video surveillance infrastructure.
We are very good at, both parties are very good at that, but we also have an existing customer base. So we have to think about how to merge the two products and
Satisfy.
Yeah, satisfy everyone, and then we won't drop any customer for sure,
yeah.
right? So like
No one left behind.
We've made that commitment.
Yeah.
No one left behind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We may be transitioning customers at some point in the future, but no customer left behind is our philosophy.
That's right.
So one major feature we are doing now for this year is that the March Networks backend will support all the VIVOTEK camera. Yeah, it's very important.
Fully.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So also there's a lot of movement. I saw that you guys traveling a lot to so many countries, because now we have R&D in Milan, in Poland, in Taiwan, Ottawa.
And it's a lot of fun. I mean, we have great teams all over the world. Our R&D centers are in Ottawa, Milan, Poland, Taipei, Tainan.
That's right.
We have a very, very diverse group of people. And what's been almost surprising to me is how well they work together.
Yeah.
And how important it is that they meet each other in person, get to know each other, and then it's great from there. They tend to see that not just from a product portfolio perspective we're complementary, from a technology perspective we're complementary. And it makes sense, right? Because both companies have been in the same industry for 25 years.
Yeah.
So I think we have one last question.
Where do we fit into Delta Intelligent Building Technologies? Is that the question?
Yes, for me it's a little bit difficult too.
It's a very big question. It's almost hard to ask the question.
Especially focused on the video intelligence.
Yeah, so if you look at a building, which is not just the focus of Delta Intelligent Building Technologies, it's the focus of Delta Electronics. That's why Delta Intelligent Building Technologies exists. Video surveillance aspect of that and the things that the insight you can get from the video system and how it's connected to the data are the eyes of the system. They're the eyes of the building. I don't think it's going to take us time to get there, but as we move down that journey of integrated building technologies, the video aspect of that becomes more and more important as it drives other systems in the building. So we have a big task. We're bringing together VIVOTEK, March Networks under Smart Security Solutions, but at the same time, we're doing a lot of work with the greater Delta Intelligent Building Technologies groups, the other 4 companies that feed into that, whether it's lighting, building controls, etc. So there's a number of working groups that are figuring out, we're figuring out how to provide solutions to our customers that are meaningful. One area we probably didn't touch on too much is leveraging AI. Not only in our products, but also we have a great roadmap for AI with our products, but we're also leveraging AI to help our teams work together and accelerate the process of bringing all of these technologies together. It's very, very exciting times.
Great. So I think we're almost run out of the time. So if we want to give all our partners one takeaway for our today's conversation, what will you say? What's the most, for me, the most important is no customer left behind, really, for me.
Yeah.
No customer left behind. This is like the most important takeaway for me for this combination of the two brands. And
I would say application forward based on strong technology.
Jeff?
Your investment into the infrastructure, your infrastructure with VIVOTEK and March Networks will pay off in many ways over time, keeping you in the future, helping you towards the cloud, helping you towards AI, whatever your needs are from a future technology perspective, with another add-on component that in the future it will also drive your building intelligence.
Yeah.
That's probably the takeaway that I would want everybody to leave with from this conversation.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miles.
Miles.
Great
Thank
questions.
you, Jeff. Really, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully I will see you soon. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.